Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Remini app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up your Player App Store, and then where it says click on your magnifying glass here, or click on search, sorry, down below, and now type in Remini. So you want to search apps and games, type in Remini and then click enter. Now from here, you'll see Remini here. It's got over 100 million downloads and 4 million reviews of the time of this recording. So go ahead and click on the app, and then you want to click on install. And now what this is going to do, this is going to download and install the app onto your device. So just let it do its thing here. So I want to pause this video and get back to you once that has finished. All right, so now that's finished downloading and installing. So what you want to do is click on open. And now click on get started to continue using Remini. I will make a separate video of how to use Remini in the future, so keep an eye out for that.